What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view password credentials in 1Password. So if you're in 1Password or you click the extension, you'll be able to see those credentials here. And to quickly see those, you want to go ahead and ensure that you select the vault. And so once you select the vault, you will be able to see those password credentials. And so I have one here called login, another one called secret cred, another one called test password, and you can see the username and you can see those passwords. And so if you want to really see the password, you can copy the password. That's going to allow you to quickly see them. Once you copy them, you can copy them and you can quickly paste that into, for example, notepad or a browser, and you can copy the password if you ever need to. So you're able to quickly see the credentials because you're able to see the username, and you can copy the password and paste it elsewhere. If there's a website link as well, you can easily find those website URL and you can open them and so forth. And so that's it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and see your credentials in 1Password.